Welcome to English class.
A is for apple. Apple.
B is for ball. Ball.
C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog.
E is for elephant. Elephant.
F is for fish. Fish. G is for glasses. Glasses. H is for hat. Hat. I is for insect. Insect. J is for juice. Juice.
K is for kite. Kite.
L is for leaf. Leaf. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for nose. Nose. O is for octopus. Octopus. P is for panda. Panda. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for rocket. Rocket. S is for sun. Sun. T is for tap. Tap. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for vase. Vase. W is for water. Water. X is for fox. Fox. Y is for yellow. Yellow. Z is for zebra. Zebra.